Hi, welcome to my channel, and to the new subscribers, welcome. To everyone who supports our channel, thank you very much. Today, we're going to talk about subscription-based financial tools. Stay tuned. So, what are subscription-based financial tools? Well, these are tools that help you manage your finances through monthly or yearly payments by automation. They help you automate your savings or your investments. They also help tracking your expenses easier. So mostly these are apps that you can install. You can find them online and install them in your gadgets that you use, for instance, your phones. Subscription-based tools makes managing your finances very easy. Do you find it hard to manage your finances? Or do you find it hard to stay consistent when it comes to things like saving or building your investments? Well, these subscription-based tools will help you. These tools help you reshape how you handle your money or your finances. For example, in Kenya, M-Pesa Gold Savings or Absa for automated savings. You start by signing up for these things, create an account, and then set your financial goals. This can be something like saving something like 5,000 Kenya shillings a month. To automate, you link your bank account or your mobile wallet to these subscription-based financial tools. When you link your accounts to these tools, it will automatically deduct money from your account to these investments or savings platforms that you've signed up. The good thing is you can always personalize it to your own preference, and you can always adjust it. You can adjust it based on your needs, risks involved, or even according to your spending habits. Some people spend a lot, others spend less. So these are some of the things you need to put into consideration, and it gives you that option. Subscription-based financial tools have some various benefits, and most people love it because of the convenience it brings. One, it saves you a lot of time by automating these transactions. You don't necessarily have to be there. Once the process is automated, these things are done automatically at the comfort of your home, wherever it is that you are. Two, it also helps you reduce decision-making fatigue, especially for those days you feel like you don't want to make any decisions. It helps you eliminate that because it will do this automatically. By making this decision easy for you, it also makes money management easy and effortless. And three, the ability to customize it according to your needs. You can tailor subscription financial tools to your liking when it comes to saving, investments, or even debt repayment. It is ideal for different goals. For example, if you're trying to save for a vacation, retirement planning, or even when you're trying to build an emergency fund. So it really just depends on you. You know, all those are the beauty that comes with, or the benefits that come with these subscription-based financial tools. Most of these tools include resources that help the users educate themselves on how to improve financial literacy. For example, articles, videos, and interactive features. As much as I think the benefits are great, it has a few challenges. And some of the few challenges are these subscription-based financial tools can have charges that may apply. They can have like subscription costs that can be monthly, annually, or even daily, depending on how often you're transacting. Some people have a problem when fees apply, but at this point in time in life, I think we've come to accept that nothing is for free. Although we try to find options that are cheaper, most of the time we'll just find like when you're trying to transact money or doing something that is going to favor you at the end of the day, you have to pay a small price for it. So one of the disadvantages of these subscription-based financial tools is fees may apply. So you need to evaluate if the service provided value for the price. Another disadvantage is it may also have limited features. For instance, it may be too basic for some people, and some people will say it doesn't cover complex financial needs. So when it comes to deep diving in finances, maybe this is not for you. But for the basic parts, this is best. For someone who's starting, this is best. Another challenge to consider is about your data and how your data will be used or shared. Always read terms and conditions of how your data is going to be used. Data privacy is very important, so find out how your data or the data you provide is going to be handled. In Kenya, we have options like Safaricom M-Pesa goals, which automates savings for specific targets. You can also try platforms that combine local payments with global investments, for instance, Chum's app. Okay, so you go check that out. Personally, I feel subscription-based financial tools are here to help us, especially with this busy world. Sometimes we just don't even have the time, you know? You want to do these things, but you just find like, personally, for instance, myself, my bank is quite a distance. So when I think about just driving there to just go and automate one thing, I feel like I tend to postpone and I end up not doing it at all. But eventually I bring myself to do it. I try to automate things as much as possible because at the end of the day, it saves me time. And if you're starting up, like in this investment journey, or you're trying to build something like your emergency fund, this is the best option for you. These financial tools are made to try and help us. So we should not be afraid, you know. Although, do your due diligence. Don't just dive in, okay? You try and measure the pros and cons and find which tool works best for you, okay? Some tools have a different lock-in period. Those are some of the things also you need to find out, okay? Transaction fees and stuff like that. You go try subscription-based financial tools to try grow yourself financially, okay? Well, what are some of your financial goals? Let me know in the comment section. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll be notified once we upload another new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.